Good afternoon from the studio. My sweet treat of the day. Today is my last day in this studio. So I want to take some content doing my art, and then I'll be moving upstairs to the pink living room to use as my studio tomorrow. I took yesterday off, didn't film, but I did get some work done on my rug. My fingers are really sore. I don't think that I will be finishing that rug while I am here because it is a huge undertaking. A 3-foot rug, just hand embroidered. I'm a crazy girl, I know. I almost did a 6-foot rug, like, what was I thinking? Let me show you my progress. This is what we have going on. I did the whole border. It's 2 lines of a light blue. And then this takes forever. It just takes forever. I've been watching a lot of TV as I make this beautiful rug because I need something stimulating while I'm poking it a million times and destroying my fingers. I watched 2 seasons of The Circle. I am watching Black Mirror right now, the season that just came out. Although I never watched seasons 1 and 2. I watched 3, 4, 5. I want to watch Love Island, but I don't have a VPN, and I'm really having this existential crisis of whether I should get a VPN or not. Also, you've only seen like the cute side of this studio, but what you haven't seen is the, wow, this is an old house and it's breaking apart side. Every time I close the studio door, more of this just falls. And so this is what's happening. Packing up the studio today. There's a painter who's gonna get this studio. And so I have to relocate, but it was nice while I had it. Such a cute little studio. I think it's maybe useless.
Ah, that's why you brought the broom. I thought it was part of the act.
Yeah,
Because it matched your costume.
Yeah. Like a witch. Wi-Fi cuts out in the middle of journaling. It's a sad day. No internet connection. I had a slow start to the morning, I will not lie. I'm transferring some footage and photos onto a hard drive, and then I'm gonna go out and take photos of the town again and some videos, and then I'm gonna come back here and edit together an art piece concept that I think I'm gonna make. I'm also trying to figure out how to make these videos a little more exciting because I feel like it's boring right now. It's a lot of the same thing over and over again, but that's the thing. Like, I'm embroidering every freaking day over and over and over again. So I don't know if that is interesting for you guys, but it's what I got for you. So that's what we're working with because the weather is so nice today. Like, it's lovely outside, which is great because I actually want to go outside because it's nice. But I'll give you a little tour of the town. I'll show you some of the cool stuff. And then I'm cooking dinner for all the residents later. So that will be lovely. Let's rock. another day of doing random things. What are you gonna do? I have promised the other residents that I will make dinner tonight. Honey ginger salmon bowl with coconut rice and mango salsa. Fancy, I know, but I have to prove myself. I'm the youngest one here, and I have to prove that I am worthy. We're going to Evora today and I'm taking you with me, so let's go. Okay, go on. Hello, long time no talk. I wanted to come on here and update. So this weekend we had a little workshop hosted by Svenja where we all got to make different textile pieces. The workshop was so nice. It was about making masks out of old textiles, so it was big on upcycling. And yes, I made a shirt, not a mask, but we kind of had a big variety of items made.
No, that's serious. Because my grandmother had a wool shop.
Oh, wow.
Oh, really? That's why I brought all these wools from Portugal.
It's a great way to stay creative and kind of exercise creative juices without feeling the pressure of making something for the actual residency project. And I made this piece, which I also turned into a tie-up top in the back. I'm really proud of it actually. I feel like it really represents a lot of cool textures and designs, and it's definitely something I want to explore further in my textile work.
Oh, yes. Wow. Work it. It's looking so good.
I mean, face of Nicole when she's doing this. Like,
yes! Genius! Yeah! I'm coming, it's just a video.
Oh, we're just. It's a video. So on the count, smile, 1, 2, 3. Now, Goofy.
it's a video?
I
I'm too lazy to turn on the self-timer. But she's practicing, I think. I think she's practicing.
I could make
Okay, that's cool.
Yeah. Yeah.
Very nice.
These are really nice, guys.
Yes, yes.
Actually, together those look very nice.
Yeah, those two look really.
Look.
Oh my god, okay.
That's really sexual, and I love it. I'm here for it. I'm here for it. It's my thumb.
Ah, yes, protection from the sun.
Okay, great.
Okay. We did a good job, yeah.
I've been editing a video that I am making with Olga, who works here. We're talking about Ukrainian embroidery versus Portuguese embroidery.
Perfect desk setup.
Testing, testing. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hey, sí, probando, probando. 1, 2, 2, 2, 3.
Oh, you take the colors?
Okay. So,
On the table.
Yeah, right behind as well. Mm-hmm. Perfect.
Olga, could you say something? Just whatever. A practice of whatever.
Можуть бути поєднані стіпками і візерунками.
В Арайолуші, в центрі Португалії, килими вишивають вовною, раніше на ляному полотні, зараз в основному на джутовому, до сьогодні зберігаючи старовинні візерунки.
So I've been editing all day. And then Svenja and I were just chatting for a bit. We decided that we're going to embroider at night and do rugs at night because we do not have the energy right now. But before that, I am going to go film Nicole and AJ's dance. They are performers and they have this acro tango, but we are going to make a really cool film of it up at the castle, and we're going to use drone shots hopefully, and it's going to be really, really cool, I think. That's what's up, and then Janine is cooking dinner tonight. I'm hype. I love when people cook dinner because it means that I can just relax.
Okay, more or is it okay?
More. I mean, okay, it's more than okay. It should be more than okay.
Oh, so beautiful and so big.
Oh, I think
Maybe when you...
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, yeah.
Everyone look at your cards are really thick. Think, am I
No,
close to this?
78, 78.
Am I close to this or do we need to jump? Think that. Oh, it's so red.
It's between us, Andrew.
I'll be the asshole.
Good morning. I love beginning. Mercedes comes today. She's the head of the Residency program. just set up a new little work studio down here near Spenya. I have 2 tables, plenty of space for the stuff, and I feel like this will be good because I was working on the floor before and my back hurts, so I feel like that's not the vibe.
It's red? You think it's where you want? Show me the goods.